Alright, so this is the first video that I've made like this, so we will see how it goes. But, oh, there we go. So I'm going to show you the first step in making your octopus in this video, which is how to do a magic circle or a magic ring. So the first thing you do is with your left hand, you pinch the yarn with your first finger and your thumb. And then you wrap the yarn, you go over, under, and you create a cross on the top. Do you see that? How there's a cross right there? Wonderful. Now you're going to take your crochet hook in the other hand, and I'm holding this how I showed you guys, so you put it in your fingers and squeeze it, and then hold it kind of like you're either holding maybe a pencil or like you're cutting a tomato. And you're going to go under the first little string here and over and grab the last part of the X, or the part of the X that's behind, and you're gonna tug it under the first one and then kind of turn it like that. And now what I like to do is I like to take my finger and thumb on my right hand and pinch where all that is connected, and then you can do a chain. And that's how you do the magic ring. I'm going to show you one more time and try to go a little closer up. So pinch it, wrap it into an X, grab your crochet hook, go under the first, over the second, and twist. And then when you pinch it there, that's your magic ring.